Hey, what's up everyone? This is your Queen Salise, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, paus talaga ako for today's vlog. And yes, of course, mag-haul tayo ng Shein kasi yan. Ito yung mga products from Shein guys, and bubuksan ko ito at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga laman nito. And of course, pasensya na sa boses ko dahil nag-host ako ng Christmas party namin and ilang araw na puyat for the preparation. But thanks be to God because it is victorious, it is successful, it is really amazing for all the provision na ipinagkaloob ng Lord sa workers Christmas celebration namin. And I really thank God for that. And yeah, so we are going to do a haul. Ito yun. And this is from Shein. So let's open na guys. Sirain na natin ng mabilis. Okay. So it's a lot. Kasi itong product siya. Ayan, meron pa nito at saka nito. So, ayan siya. Ang dami niya. Sobrang dami. And yes, of course, unahin natin ito. They send me this Maange brush artist. So this is a makeup brushes. And ang supplier na to ay galing kay Maange. So nakita nila sa Instagram ko guys na talagang nagme-makeup vlog na ulit ako. So they send me this one. Thank you, Shein. And also, wait lang. So, let's open this one. Bakit talagang nakabalot siya ng ano talaga? As in, nakabalot siya ng foam. So, later na lang. Okay. Ayan, paano ba ito? So, I have this two kind of, I don't know. Ayan. Oops. Meron silang SheGlam On The Glow. So, this is On The Glow 1 minute for hair. Ayan, para sa hair to guys. Gagawa natin to ng, and then this one, it's look like jacket. Ayan. Uy, ang laki yata. Ang laki ng size niya, pero it's okay. Ang laki nga. Large siya. Hindi ako large. Medium kasi na ako. Anyway, it's okay. So, meron tayong eyebrow mascara. This is a brow mascara. And meron tayong, what is this? Lip gloss. SheGlam din to. Ang dami pinadala ng SheGlam ah. This is a waterproof eyeliner duo. It's a wing it. Meron tayong, uy! This is for makeup brushes guys. Kapag magtitimpla kayo ng foundation, so dito nyo na ilalagay instead sa kamay nyo. Tapos, ayan, meron silang applicator. And we have also this. Oh, this is medium. So, I think ano siya sa akin. Pasok siya sa akin. Oh. And because it's Christmas, see? Ganda. Ganda siya, guys. So, kasya yan sa akin dahil medium. And we also have this is, para to sa skincare, guys. Mixing bowl and brushes for skincare. Halimbawa, meron kayong mask na powder, tapos gusto nyong i-mix. Ayan, meron din silang yung pangsukat. So, yan. Okay, and then, ang dami nito. It's a lip mask, moisturizing lip mask. So, it's a lot. Look. Meron tayong moisturizing, non-greasy lip mask. So, kailangan natin to talaga sa labi natin, especially pag winter, dahil sobrang lamig and nagda-dry yung lips natin. And also, meron tayong mga super cute na ribbons here. And because it's Christmas na talaga, alam nyo, marami talaga kayong mabibili sa Shein, guys. Just use my code. Makakamura kayo. Ayan. Kung kayo ay nandito sa UAE. Ang cute. Super cute. Ganda. Ayan. Super cute, guys. And nice. So, mga ribbon siya. And it's last 3. This one, huli natin. Ayan. Meron tayo ditong dress. Oh, wow. This dress. Poga. It's a red dress na merong, ayan, basta red dress siya. Tingnan natin kung kasya sa atin. Sukat natin soon. And of course, we have also this, ano to? Palda. Uy, sobrang iksi. Kasya bata ito sa akin. Ay, ano siya? Palda short siya, guys. Ayan. May short siya sa ilalim. And palda siya. So, kahit gumanyan siya, and it's so bouncy, so hindi kayo masisilipan. Pero ewan ko kung paano ko susuotin yan. And last is bra. Meron tayong, this is from, Shein, pero ang supplier niya is si Sianmer Trading Co. Ayan, so, this is a push-up bra na non-wired. Diba kalimitan kapag push-up bra talaga with wire siya. But that one is without wire. And also, this one is with wire. Oh, yun ang tingnan. Basta bra yan. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung mga Shein na tayo. Ito pala, bubuksan ko pala itong dalawang to, guys. And ipapakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. Kasi baka dumikit sa kuko ko eh. So, ito, nabuksan ko na. And this is an eyeshadow. So, nilagay talaga nila dito para safe. And this is from Shiglam Cosmetics. So, ayan. Sobrang ganda ng color. This is my first time to have this kind of color, guys. Ayan, parang ano siya. More on purple colors. Meron ding, and all glitters. So, next is this one. Ayan. Glass Glow Blush Lipsticks. This is also from Shiglam. Meron silang Glass Glow Blush Lipsticks. So, gagawin ko to ng review soon, guys. And ngayon, it's a Shein haul muna. And it's really a lot. And thanks be to God for this. So, God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching. Advance Merry Christmas because now is December 22, 2025. Ang 3 araw na lang, guys. Pasko na. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta, guys. I'm so busy this past few weeks talaga. Hindi ko nahaharap ang YouTube masyado. I'm trying my best na makapag-upload as soon as may time talaga ako. And kahit ito, pause ako. Gusto ko talagang mag-upload sa YouTube pa rin. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Hope you like it. And kung meron kayong mga nagustuhan dun sa product na pinakita ko, I'll just put the link in the description box. Itanong nyo lang sa comment section kung ano yung mga product na gusto nyong i-try natin next time. So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Bye! Thank you for watching. Mwah!